Alright. Say afena o join me a ha yɛ PMR and I say PM records. Yeah, ha a PM records. And I yɛba bɛhwɛ tutorials bi medikan akyerɛ mo keys na me use ɛma me scratch no. And I say sɛ me mfa nkyerɛ wa me use MacBook Pro. Enti fast and for all no. Yɛnkɔ video ni so. Alright, mesrɛ wo sɛ afena o join a mesrɛ subscribe, like na share post no na comment sɛ na be ya ebe hu sɛ edwuma PM records and I say PM upload AD no ɛboaye menche ho no me ba be kyerɛw ɛkwan a me fa so a menya saa de we ɛna afen so saa de we yeah ne nyina ɛwɔ sound a sound na before that no wo hwɛ screen no so anum say na and then me speeding fast and quick. We show keyboard no so my hotkey no. Me beat no. And I say how do you call it? My sound boss no any nti hana me key ni she. Nti obo so this is how it is. Say it here. Nti with or scratch no. Nti ene me ba be kire one key scratch and I make sure no. Enti yenche ho no medical catcher say subscribe channel no ema me PM upload enti ewo YouTube enti oba settings hanum say na no aba ana so oba virtual DJ nani a no aba o settings hanum say oba settings ya obehu say ya ebibi wa hanum say your tutorials audio interface and afen so mapping options lenses extensions broadcast, record, and a remote. Enti you be hit it ewo mapping no so. You ba mapping no so ha no say na. The wa ha no nyina mapping board. You mapping board and a ehu no. Enti se oba ha no say a you custom mapping. Ha no say na we a obe den, obe save. Sa bibi we any edi save. Enti how menya ekwan me fa so am scratch here no wode ma me san ko ho biom how am me fa so scratch saa de we no with one key no so hwe we na we sound different and hwe we so sound different so what you say enti me ba settings ya no say and me ba me key enti me ba key no me use MacBook Pro and I say Apple laptop. Enti message say we use Apple laptop no. Baby a ma hye me key no. Saa so na opa hye ne saa na hwe ade. Tutorials no dey bebre but we area pa enu nti na me ye we. So I'm here for teach you how to do one scratch on the virtual DJ. So let me show you the keys. Me use keyway. Look on it, me use keyway. I use this key. And it's one show here. A full stop. Yeah, a keyboard no so no. A full stop. Me Mac OS no so a full stop. Yeah, me use it. Enti we no. Ana egu eni no. Yeah. Sa way. Sa key full stop way and me use it. I dey share me scratch na so. I say nka Mac OS na nka bo say wo command key no top one no no. And I say me pese me ho ye hanti no me use two keys. Ni nyina so e wo sene a esi eba. Nti wa save we no. Wa save. We save ya then you come here. Now wa san ba because two keys and I'm using nti different setup nso ni we dey about two key no so and afen so any we hwe key we a full stop no nchen no sa key we and e wo ho no full stop no nchen Mac OS no so no ufi full stop no so na o san akọ full stop no anim wo de call nsa right no so a sa key we and me use it. Make sure say subscribe to channel no na different video bi e beba bia na wonsa aka we are na wa save. And that's it. Bye bye.